down here?
They're going to do the residue and try to clean up the burn of the home. It was a big house, about 5,000, little over 5,000 square feet, so it was a good sized house. Concrete roof, and you can see the walls. The hard part was no place to stay. You had to try to get a hotel or whatever. We started out in a barn that was repaired, and they put a couple of rooms in it, and we were there for about, I don't know, a month and a half, and then finally we went to the Best Western over here in Chico, and then we would commute here regularly and look for homes. We were going to buy a home right away, and ultimately we did. That's her car. That's my wife's car. That's what's left of it. But hopefully we won't be there more than 5-10 years if I live long enough. And then we're definitely going to keep this lot, though, and build on it. One of the prettiest lots in all of America. I've lived everywhere. Very heavy duty. I've had a lot of stucco, as you can see, and heavy roof. And we didn't think it would burn.